Hello, welcome back to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty. This is all about self-care, and this segment of the episodes are about luxury brands that do a great job to care for your skin. So stay tuned. All right, you guys, so this one here, this series is simply about self-care. And once again, doing everything you can to care for your skin, your insides, your outsides, your oral hygiene, your hygiene, everything. So today I'm talking a little bit about some top-of-the-line luxury brands that I particularly like. And when I have a little extra money, I will definitely get them because they last a long time and they're great products. So I'm going to start off with Dior. I am hooked on Dior serums. They are great. This is a multi-capture towel, and it's serum multi-perfection. It's great. I mean, all of their products are basically, not all of them, but most of them are anti-aging, and that's what I'm trying to work on now, keeping my skin supple, young-looking, tight, firm, you know the deal. And this is a moisturizer that I love. I literally love this. And this is a multi-perfection cream. Once again, it's part of this series with Dior, Capture Total, La Crème La Perfection. Okay, so it's great. I use this one at night on a regular basis. I have the one that's already open. I get them in bulk if I can. So this is the one that I use all the time. It's great. It's a rich cream. I am clearly almost out of it, if you could see. Yeah. So I'm glad I got another one, but these are great. Perfect. And another part of Dior's superior product line is One Essential. This here basically is a serum. Like I said, I love their serums. Serums, skincare for face. Apply morning and night to the face and neck. It's a fabulous serum. I kid you not. I don't use it every day, but it is good for your neck, face, and I always tend to like to go onto my chest area just because everything wrinkles at a certain point in life. So I highly recommend Dior One Essential. And next, okay, that's Dior. Next, I want to go to Clarins. Clarins is my go-to brand for my skin sunscreen, especially their spray. I don't have it up here, but it is a fabulous spray. I usually get it in 15 SPF. I love it. I love it. This is something I have to purchase again. This is Clarins, their double serum. It's amazing, amazing. One of their anti-aging products. I like to mix this with the night cream. Oh, it's just fabulous. I love it, and I'm almost out. It lasted me a long time, anti-aging. Another item by Clarins is, this is their moisture-rich body lotion with shea butter for dry skin. I've said this so many times. My hands get so dry, but this here, it's really works well. I love this product. And it's like I said, these are luxury, high-end, top-of-the-line brands. So it's something you gotta kind of save up for a rainy day and then get your products that you want. But they last. And this is the most decadent flavor and fragrance. Not flavor, fragrance. I love it. I love it. Okay, and then Clarins also, this is a small bottle. I think it was a gift, actually. Extra Firming Day Wrinkle Lift Cream. All skin types. I love it. I use it. I got to get some more. Next, we have here Estee Lauder. Now, Estee Lauder is one of my favorites. Trust and Believe. This here is one, it says Dissolve the Drama. This is the Estee Edit. It's a 2-in-1 makeup remover and cleanser. Phenomenal. I love the packaging. I love this royal blue and silver. It's just so beautiful together. And then these are also two products from the Estee Edit. This here is the Radiant Activator Treat Prep Glow. I think I've talked about this before. It's a great primer. Actually, I got 2 of them. Okay, I didn't realize I had stocked up, but I do like to do that. And then with Estee Lauder, this is Estee Lauder. I highly, highly recommend this. This is Resilience Lift Firming Sculpting Face and Neck Lotion. And this even has an SPF of 15. Trust and believe this works well. And you don't need a lot because you don't want to break out. So you can alternate with these products. Pick one that you like. Try the other. Whatever you like. Last but not least in this lineup of top luxury lines is L'Oreal. Now L'Oreal is my go-to most often. It's so easy to find. Even though I consider it a luxury brand, you can find it at drugstores too. So this here is their series of masks. This is the Pure Sugar. I've talked about this a little bit before. It's great. It's smooth. It's not harsh. I'm not red or broken out afterwards. It works wonderful. And then this is another one. This is Pure Clay. Argyle Pure, and it's great. And they have a series of masks. I have all of them, but you use it for certain things. I don't use them all at the same time. I'll just treat a certain area and then move on maybe in another week to the next area. So these are just the top 4 top of the line products that I highly recommend. I feel that they're great. They're great investment. It's something that you'll use moving forward. I try to just perfect my knowledge on products simply because when I come to my channel, I want to be able to say, I've tried it, I've used it, I recommend it, or I don't. So these items I recommend if you have a little bit of extra cash and you want to spend it on yourself, taking care of you. I highly recommend these products. So let me know your thoughts if you've tried any of them. I know that Estee Lauder is doing a huge campaign trying to really up their game. They are on top of things. They got some of the most beautiful models. I love them all. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Click the JB and subscribe to this happy little family. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Click that bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Check out Jacqueline's Beauty blog. I go into detail about some of these products and how to use them. So thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Remember to subscribe to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty, and join this happy little family. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.